guys, welcome back to my channel. Basically, I'm gonna show you how I went to like 0 to 10, like way better transformation video. And yeah, so if you want to see all how I got this look and you know I look way better, then just keep watching. Okay guys, I thought I'll start off with like fresh face or whatever and like come to you, and the sun is like really trying to hurt my eyes, but I'm gonna like try to glow up in less than 2 hours. So it is 9:44 right now, so we're gonna see if I can glow up. Yeah, this is much better. Like I love this much more because like the sun is not like hitting my face and making me sweat now. Basically it was pulling up my frontal. Oh, this is a Milk Makeup Blur Stick. I always use this. Honestly, I need another primer. I don't even know if this is a primer to use it because it kind of just makes me like one canvas, like kind of matte a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty foundation, Fenty Beauty, and Real Techniques. I need to wet this. I'm so lazy, so I'm gonna use my little hair thing and like spray it. Ah, it's dripping. I don't know why. I didn't expect it to drip, but it's pretty wet now. I watched this video with this girl who was like went to I think Makeup by Ariel class, and she was like how he like mainly focuses it on like in the center, like the foundation. He doesn't put a lot, and I might try that. Like, you guys, I want to film a skincare routine, but like my skin is not like that good. Like it's really confusing. See, like the sun made this my frontal lift. Ah! I'm gonna have to relay it. Okay, now I'm gonna go on my Wet n Wild concealer, photo focus concealer, and this is in dark cocoa. Can we talk about the law of attraction for a second? First of all, this stuff really works. Like, it's crazy. Like, I can like feel, you know, like when you can feel good things coming. Like, I'm so excited for 2019 because like I know that I'm gonna like have good things coming as far as like my career. So yeah, like I already got the opportunity to work like a hair company and a lash company. So yeah, and I'm pretty small YouTuber and what is it called, an Instagram person. Well, I'm like so excited. I cannot wait. Just know, just gotta keep working hard. Like I post every day on those things. I just can't wait to get my skin together, you guys. Like I can't wait till it gets like even, no hyperpigmentation. Like I suffered from acne in high school, so yeah, it's like pretty like dark spots everywhere. Literally my frontal is lifting up because like it's really hot. Maybe I should turn on the fan. That would be a good idea, but then you probably wouldn't be able to hear me. Ugh. Okay, I want to use my Mercier translucent powder. I want to try a new powder. I want to try the Beauty Bakery one, and I want to go back to trying my Airspun because, oh yeah, Makeup by Ariel, he says like only apply a little bit. Let's see. He was like apply a little powder first. Well, the girl said he said apply a little bit first. That was kind of a lot, and then go in and like bake or whatever. Also want to like film, you know that video that's like perfect insecurities, whatever. I want to do that. I feel like maybe no one notices what I see, but I literally see it like so much. Being in an industry where you gotta like, beauty is a big deal and you have to like analyze yourself, it's kind of annoying. Okay, now I'm gonna contour with the NYX, what is this called? It's in Deep Espresso, and it's the full coverage concealer. Just ignore it, please. Honestly, I need to go makeup shopping because like I barely have any. I don't know. I have a lot of makeup, but like I feel like I don't, because I need like a powder contour, like a contour powder when I don't feel like doing cream contour and I want to set the cream contour. It's crazy. Literally my frontal is like lifting up so much. And then blend it out. Down. Blend it out. Yeah, I'm not really excited for going back to college. I just want to go back to LA. That's what I'm like looking forward to. Not college. honestly. Like, it's pretty easy to me, but that was my first semester, so you know, like the first semester can be like the easiest. It should be, right? I think. I just like the schedule part because in my other school I had 10 classes, and in college you only have 4. For me, because I went to school from 8 to 5, then we had rehearsals and all this after school jazz, and yeah, I didn't get home till like sometimes 8, 9, 10 sometimes, and then you still had to do homework. So what should I do next? What kind of eyeshadow do I want to do? Okay, I'm gonna go into the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette and take that shade, and then for this, oh my god, I think it was pink on this brush. I'm just gonna go in with that shade since I like messed everything up, and just go on the outer corner. And going in with the same shade, I basically like focused that on the out, so now I'm gonna like focus on the inner corner, but like underneath my lash line. Go in with that shade, placing it into my inner corner. I cannot like not have an inner corner highlight. Ooh. I just feel like I look incomplete without it. Yeah, it's so much better. Like, what? It opens up the eyes so much more. And I'm gonna use these lashes. These are Minks by My or Me. I'm not sure, but they're in the style COCO. Let's just make everything look better. Probably just do lash extensions because I'll be looking like a 0. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna do my Fenty Beauty and Espresso Baby on this side, and this random brush. I think it's from Japanese. I think it's called. Now highlight my face. The usual. I'm just gonna do a little bit. Alright, this front is getting on nerves. This looks pink on my highlight. I didn't do my brows good today, so I don't care. Like, half the time when I do makeup, I don't go anywhere, so I don't think I'm going anywhere. I need to go to Beauty Supply because I really want to try this ash blonde look so bad. Cause I'm like tired of doing the same hair, like only on Instagram. I love this hair though, and I have this hair and this other hair called Mia hair, Miai. I don't know, Mai. I have no idea how to pronounce the company name, but yeah. And both of the hair is blonde. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna use this mascara. Literally, I need to go get some new mascara because this is like literally gone. Like, there's nothing here. Go get some. Why am I holding it like that? Okay, this video is probably like in shambles. Sorry. Oh, speaking of in shambles, I love Arnell. Arnell and our what's her name? Alyssa. Love them. Taking this brown by LA Girl. Yeah, it's in brown. It's the eyeliner. Then I'm gonna take this praline lip gloss. Just a little bit clear lip gloss. So it's extra. That's pretty good. Now we just need to fix my frontal. Got to be glue. First, let me talk about move. Alright, let me fix the baby hairs. I'm just gonna wet it. Should I like that? Should I like that? Okay guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm pretty much done. I look way better now. Yeah, I kind of like went to 0 to like 10, like right to the scale. So like, no, not that good, like probably 8. But yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully you liked, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't, then please do that. Thank you. And then yeah, follow me on all my social media links. They'll be down below. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.